Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the Farexon Nightstand with the charging station. It comes with the dual AC outlets and then dual USB Type A charging ports. It supports 5 volt up to 2 amps. And it has an extension cord up to 6.5 feet. So this one is the 3-tier end side table with the storage drawer and then a shelf. It is good for a bedside, for small spaces, or a side end table for a bedroom. So anyway, last time I did the unboxing for this Farexon balancing board, exercising board, which is pretty awesome. And it's fun to exercise with. So I'll be including the link on both items in the description so you could check them out. And be sure to check on the coupon code box so when you check out you get a discount price with it. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. By the way, I'll give it a shout out to their marketing team for sending me this so I could do this unboxing for you guys or purchase. So this one requires some assembly, so we're going to do some installation. So here's the instruction manual on how to install it. There's a correct way or wrong way, so make sure you do it correct way so you won't have problem. And here's some of the component list. And then that is the dual outlet for the AC and USB Type A. That's a 6.5 feet of power cord. So there's a label right here. This one it says number 5. And this one is the number 2. So yeah, make sure you arrange it accordingly so you won't get mixed up when installing it. And this one is 6. So I guess number 1 is the top tier. This one is number 1. And this is the metal legs on the bottom. So this is the power outlet right here. As you can see, dual AC and then dual USB Type A. Here's all the parts list of the screws. Count the tool right here, so you don't need to use your own tool. It's an Allen key, and then a Phillips screw driver here. And then this is number 3, and then number 4. Okay. Let's get this out of the way. So step 1 is to use number 3 and number 4, and then we're gonna screw those screw on there. It's a G type, which is this as a 12 piece. So this is number 3, then number 4. So it'll be this one right here. This one, okay? And it goes to the small hole. It's 6 of this on each side. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 goes number 3, and then 6 goes number 4. And then use this Phillips screwdriver. And make sure when you put it down, make sure it's perpendicular and straight down. Don't tilt it. Yeah, let me go get my bigger screwdriver so it'll make it faster. So. I guess we have one extra one, so. Next step 2, we're gonna use number 1 and then number 5, okay? And then you have to use F and then D. So this is the F right here, and then D right here has 3 pieces, and this one has 6 pieces. So this one is number 1, and then 5. So this is the F right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I guess we have one extra piece again. So it goes here, wooden dowel. And then we're going to use one of this D screw. Goes on the back here. Okay, the step 3, we have to put the D and then number 2 right here. So using the same screw again, D. Okay, next step is put the 3 and 4 on the side. we're supposed to put the wooden doll. Now I'm going to take it apart. And now I'm going to use this edge. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we could lock it up. So the middle drawer has a tight space, so okay, now we're going to do the legs and then number 6. As for the top screw, we're going to use B, and then for the bottom screw, we're going to use C. So it's more fine thread for the B. And this is the C. So yeah, make sure you install the correct position. There's a dent right there. So that's for the screw head to go in like that. So make sure the flat goes toward the top, because you're going to screw this in later on. See how it's sinking? And you gotta use the number 8 screw. It's a shorter one. You need 4 of those. Alright, then the final step is to install this plug. Then we're going to install this 2 at the E screw. Pretty tiny. Final step is to install I, which is the plastic feet that's on the bottom. So you can adjust it when your tile or wood floor is uneven. Alright, so I'm going to set this up. So this is my son without the charging station or the side table. I'm going to put it right here for now, and so he could charge it. So this is what it look like. So you can charge your Beats Solo Pro headphones. It's charging the iPhone, and then charging the Samsung or Android phone. And this is a DJI Pocket. It's charging right now. And then it's also charging the GoPro. And this tier 1, that's what you put most of your devices to charge. And you can store your notebook here, or your iPads or your tablets on this section. Or you can put some books over here on the bottom shelf, tier 3. This is the case for the GoPro. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.